Wondering if online marketing can grow your local business? Here are some facts you should know. Internet usage is everywhere. 91% of internet users own a PC or laptop, 80% own a smartphone, and 47% own a tablet. 46% of people will judge your company solely based on your website. So it should load quickly, be easy to navigate, have a clear call to action on every page, be SEO friendly, and contain engaging, helpful content. Did you know that 80% of consumers use search engines to find local products, services, and businesses? So local SEO is key. On-site and off-site optimization, adequate keyword research, local directory listings, valuable targeted content, social media, all play an important role in helping you rank higher. And here's something to think about. 86% of people skip TV commercials. 44% of direct mail is never opened. But there are 11 billion Google searches each month. Also, the world has gone social. 72% of all internet users are on social media. 71% access social media from a mobile device. 51% say social opinions influence their purchase decisions. And 3 in 5 small businesses have gained new customers by using social media. Facebook alone has over 1.3 billion monthly active users. 890 million people log in daily. Facebook accounts for 15.8% of total time spent on the internet, and 70% of small businesses have acquired customers through Facebook. Your online reputation matters. 88% of consumers trust online reviews as much as personal recommendations. 90% of consumers say online reviews impact their buying decision. 80% have decided against a business due to negative reviews. A 1-star increase in Yelp rating leads to a 5 to 9% increase in revenue. Mobile usage is hot. 9 out of 10 mobile searches lead to action, such as a phone call or store visit. 70% of them lead to action within 1 hour. On average, people have 26 apps installed on their phones. 40% of them interact with the app immediately after a notification. Text coupons are redeemed 10 times more than traditional coupon offers. 64% of consumers have made a purchase as a result of receiving a text message. Videos are taking over the web. 50% of users watch business-related videos on YouTube once a week. The average user spends 88% more time on a website with video. They boost web page conversions by 86%. It is predicted that 79% of all internet traffic will be video by 2018. And as a matter of fact, YouTube has more than 1 billion users. Users spend more than 4 billion hours watching videos each month. 300 hours of video are uploaded to YouTube every minute. And half of YouTube viewers are on mobile devices. Email marketing provides a return of over $44 per every $1 spent. On top of that, it's popular, it converts, it's profitable, and extremely versatile. Digital marketing is here to stay. You need to be social. You need a professional, up-to-date website. You need top-quality, valuable content. You need to be mobile ready. Where do you start? Every company's situation is unique, but don't delay. Take action and start building a profitable online strategy. Contact us today.